Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your activation code in Rockstar. So to do this it's pretty simple. So actually all you have to do is go here and sign in. So once you have done that, you'll have to go to your redeem code right here so that you'll be able to sign in, of course, and then you'll be able to activate your Rockstar activation code. So once you've done that, you'll have to sign in with your social club and then game activation in the top right corner, then use a Rockstar code. From there, you'll have to activate it, of course. So to get the activation code, it's pretty simple. This will be given to you when Steam will actually download it, or once you've paid for it, it will give it to you. And then you can actually visit the Rockstar Game support for details if the code is no longer valid if you tried it right here. So there you go guys, it's just that simple. To get that, you'll have to actually pay for it once you already have the game itself, and it will be given to you privately. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.